guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean, organized, declutter, Konmari style. I have some neglected spaces in my room that I've been putting off, but I really need to take care of. So I'm just going to start with my nightstand table, and I'm going to be taking everything off of it and out of it and giving it a good cleaning. And I'm just going to use a multi-surface cleaner and clean out the bottom shelf to start. So with everything laid out on my bed, I have a few bins. This one I purchased from Target, and I'm just going to use this for all my socks because before I had the socks in the top drawer and it just wasn't working out for me. It was way too small. So this is much better. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put this basket bin back in. And then I'm going to work on the top drawer. I'm going to take it out so it's a little bit easier to work with. And then I purchased these two white bins both from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm just going to keep this for my book that I'm reading and my planner that I work with every night. And then I have a little bin that I'm just going to keep little items that I may need and my lotions, of course. So this is going to work out nice. I really like this setup much better. So here it is, all finished, and I really like the way it came out. Everything is so much more functional now and nice and neat, and everything's in its place. And now I'm moving on to my dresser. I have been wanting to tackle this project for a long time now, so I'm really happy that I finally got it done. As I'm decluttering these drawers, I'm also converting everything into the KonMari method of folding and organization, and actually have been loving it. So after cleaning out the drawers, I did go through all of my shirts, and I did have a lot of them. And I'm trying to be intentional with the KonMari method here. I was touching each item, seeing if it sparks joy, and seeing if I'm really going to use it. And if I was hesitant about it, I put it in the bag to be donated. There is a local women's shelter that I think I'm going to donate it to. I'm sure they can get a lot of use out of it now, especially during these times. And here is the bag that I'm going to donate. I can't believe how much stuff that I had accumulated and wasn't using. And here is the finished product. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And now I'm moving on to the bathroom medicine cabinet, and I can honestly say that I can't remember the last time I had cleaned this out. It was packed full of stuff. So I'm just getting all the stuff and removing it first, getting rid of stuff that I'm not using or has expired. And I just put a towel down in the sink to make it easier to take everything out. And then I'm just going to be removing the shelves and giving them a good wipe down before starting to put everything back inside. You guys, this is how dirty it was and grimy that it wouldn't even come off with glass cleaner. I had to use acetone to get these disgusting stains off the glass shelves. I'm really happy with how this turns out, and again, these are those shelves from the Dollar Tree. I hope that you are motivated by this video, and I hope that you can tackle some declutter projects in your own home. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a like, and please subscribe if you have not done so already, and I will see you real soon again in another video. Bye.